हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू वीकेंड पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। आशा करती हूँ कि आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। आज की क्लास में हम तीनों सेंटेंस जो ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं उनकी कंबाइंड प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की प्रैक्टिस होगी। वैसे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की प्रैक्टिस जो हम ऑलरेडी करते आए हैं, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं येस एंड नो टाइप वाले क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। ठीक है, आज की क्लास में कोई भी परेशानी हो तो प्रीवियस क्लास का जो भी वीडियो है आपको लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, या फिर प्लेलिस्ट बनी हुई है इंग्लिश के नाम पे, तो आप वहाँ पर जा कर के वीडियोस को देख सकते हैं। आज की क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं, इंग्लिश में ही प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। ठीक है, हमारे पास में सब्जेक्ट्स हैं आई, वी, यू, दे, बॉयज़, ही, शी, रिहान, माधुरी, माई मदर इन लॉ। ठीक है, तो आइए प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करें। सबसे पहले आई से स्टार्ट करेंगे, क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे एंड उनके आंसर येस एंड नो में देंगे। ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला वर्ड है प्ले क्रिकेट। पहला वर्ब है हमारे पास में। क्वेश्चन, विल आई प्ले क्रिकेट? येस यू विल प्ले क्रिकेट। विल आई प्ले क्रिकेट? नो यू विल नॉट प्ले क्रिकेट। विल वी प्ले क्रिकेट? येस वी विल प्ले क्रिकेट। विल वी प्ले क्रिकेट? नो वी विल नॉट प्ले क्रिकेट। You, will you play cricket? Yes, I will play cricket. Will you play cricket? No, I will not play cricket. Will they play cricket? Yes, they will play cricket. Will they play cricket? No, they will not play cricket. Will boys play cricket? Yes, boys will play cricket. Will boys play cricket? No, boys will not play cricket. Will he play cricket? Yes, he will play cricket. Will he play cricket? No, he will not play cricket. Will she play cricket? Yes, she will play cricket. Will she play cricket? No, she will not play cricket. Will Rihan play cricket? Yes, Rihan will play cricket. Will Rihan play cricket? No, Rihan will not play cricket. Will Madhuri play cricket? Yes, Madhuri will play cricket. Will Madhuri play cricket? No, Madhuri will not play cricket. My mother-in-law. Will my mother-in-law play cricket? Yes, your mother-in-law will play cricket. Will my mother-in-law play cricket? No, your mother-in-law will not play cricket. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास टीच इंग्लिश। Will I teach English? Yes, you will teach English. Will I teach English? No, you will not teach English. Will we teach English? Yes, we will teach English. Will we teach English? No, we will not teach English. Will you teach English? Yes, I will teach English. Will you teach English? No, I will not teach English. Will they teach English? Yes, they will teach English. Will they teach English? No, they will not teach English. Will boys teach English? Yes, boys will teach English. Will boys teach English? No, boys will not teach English. Next, will he teach English? Yes, he will teach English. Will he teach English? No, he will not teach English. Will she teach English? Yes, she will teach English. Will she teach English? No, she will not teach English. Will Rihan teach English? Yes, Rihan will teach English. Will Rihan teach English? No, Rihan will not teach English. Will Madhuri teach English? Yes, Madhuri will teach English. Will Madhuri teach English? No, Madhuri will not teach English. Next है my mother-in-law. Will my mother-in-law teach English? Yes, your mother-in-law will teach English. Will my mother-in-law teach English? No, your mother-in-law will not teach English. Next word is cook food. Will I cook food? Yes, you will cook food. Will I cook food? No, you will not cook food. Will we cook food? Yes, we will cook food. Will we cook food? No, we will not cook food. Will you cook food? Yes, I will cook food. Will you cook food? No, I will not cook food. Will they cook food? Yes, they will cook food. Will they cook food? No, they will not cook food. Will boys cook food? Yes, boys will cook food. Will boys cook food? No, boys will not cook food. Will he cook food? Yes, he will cook food. Will he cook food? No, he will not cook food. Will she cook food? Yes, she will cook food. Will she cook food? No, she will not cook food. Will Rihan cook food? Yes, Rihan will cook food. Will Rihan cook food? No, Rihan will not cook food. Will Madhuri cook food? Yes, Madhuri will cook food. Will Madhuri cook food? No, Madhuri will not cook food. My mother-in-law. Will my mother-in-law cook food? Yes, your mother-in-law will cook food. Will my mother-in-law cook food? No, your mother-in-law will not cook food. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में प्ले गिटार. विल आई प्ले गिटार? येस, यू विल प्ले गिटार. विल आई प्ले गिटार? नो, यू विल नॉट प्ले गिटार. विल वी प्ले गिटार? येस, वी विल प्ले गिटार. विल वी प्ले गिटार? नो, वी विल नॉट प्ले गिटार. विल यू प्ले गिटार? येस, आई विल प्ले गिटार. विल यू प्ले गिटार? नो, आई विल नॉट प्ले गिटार. Will they play guitar? Yes, they will play guitar. Will they play guitar? No, they will not play guitar. Boys, will boys play guitar? Yes, boys will play guitar. Will boys play guitar? No, boys will not play guitar. Will he play guitar? Yes, he will play guitar. Will he play guitar? No, he will not play guitar. Will she play guitar? Yes, she will play guitar. Will she play guitar? No, she will not play guitar. Will Rihan play guitar? Yes, Rihan will play guitar. Will Rihan play guitar? No, Rihan will not play guitar. Will Madhuri play guitar? Yes, Madhuri will play guitar. Will Madhuri play guitar? No, Madhuri will not play guitar. My mother-in-law. Will my mother-in-law play guitar? Yes, your mother-in-law will play guitar. Will my mother-in-law play guitar? No, your mother-in-law will not play guitar. Next word is buy vegetables. Will I buy vegetables? Yes, you will buy vegetables. Will I buy vegetables? No, you will not buy vegetables. Will we buy vegetables? Yes, we will buy vegetables. Will we buy vegetables? No, we will not buy vegetables. Will you buy vegetables? Yes, I will buy vegetables. Will you buy vegetables? No, I will not buy vegetables. Will they buy vegetables? Yes, they will buy vegetables. Will they buy vegetables? No, they will not buy vegetables. Boys, will boys buy vegetables? Yes, boys will buy vegetables. Will boys buy vegetables? No, boys will not buy vegetables. Will he buy vegetables? Yes, he will buy vegetables. Will he buy vegetables? No, he will not buy vegetables. Will she buy vegetables? Yes, she will buy vegetables. Will she buy vegetables? No, she will not buy vegetables. Will Rihan buy vegetables? Yes, Rihan will buy vegetables. Will Rihan buy vegetables? No, Rihan will not buy vegetables. Will Madhuri buy vegetables? Yes, Madhuri will buy vegetables. Will Madhuri buy vegetables? No, Madhuri will not buy vegetables. My mother-in-law. Will my mother-in-law buy vegetables? Yes, your mother-in-law will buy vegetables. Will my mother-in-law buy vegetables? No, your mother-in-law will not buy vegetables. Next word is bring water. Will I bring water? Yes, you will bring water. Will I bring water? No, you will not bring water. Will we bring water? Yes, we will bring water. Will we bring water? No, we will not bring water. Will you bring water? Yes, I will bring water. Will you bring water? No, I will not bring water. Will they bring water? Yes, they will bring water. Will they bring water? No, they will not bring water. Will boys bring water? Yes, boys will bring water. Will boys bring water? No, boys will not bring water. Will he bring water? Yes, he will bring water. Will he bring water? No, he will not bring water. Will she bring water? Yes, she will bring water. Will she bring water? No, she will not bring water. Will Rihan bring water? Yes, Rihan will bring water. Will Rihan bring water? No, Rihan will not bring water. Will Madhuri bring water? Yes, Madhuri will bring water. Will Madhuri bring water? No, Madhuri will not bring water. My mother-in-law. Will my mother-in-law bring water? Yes, your mother-in-law will bring water. Will my mother-in-law bring water? No, your mother-in-law will not bring water. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में ईट मैंगो. ठीक है, तो आई से स्टार्ट करेंगे. विल आई ईट मैंगो? येस, यू विल ईट मैंगो. विल आई ईट मैंगो? नो, यू विल नॉट ईट मैंगो. विल वी ईट मैंगो? Yes, we will eat mango. Will we eat mango? No, we will not eat mango. You, will you eat mango? Yes, I will eat mango. Will you eat mango? No, I will not eat mango. They, will they eat mango? Yes, they will eat mango. Will they eat mango? No, they will not eat mango. Boys, will boys eat mango? Yes, boys will eat mango. Will boys eat mango? No, boys will not eat mango. He, will he eat mango? Yes, he will eat mango. Will he eat mango? No, he will not eat mango. She, will she eat mango? Yes, she will eat mango. Will she eat mango? No, she will not eat mango. Rihan, will Rihan eat mango? Yes, Rihan will eat mango. Will Rihan eat mango? No, Rihan will not eat mango. Madhuri, will Madhuri eat mango? Yes, Madhuri will eat mango. Will Madhuri eat mango? No, Madhuri will not eat mango. My mother-in-law, will my mother-in-law eat mango? Yes, your mother-in-law will eat mango. Will my mother-in-law eat mango? No, your mother-in-law will not eat mango. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में परचेज कार. Will I purchase car? Yes, you will purchase car. Will I purchase car? No, you will not purchase car. Will we purchase car? Yes, we will purchase car. Will we purchase car? No, we will not purchase car. Will you purchase car? Yes, I will purchase car. Will you purchase car? No, I will not purchase car. They, will they purchase car? Yes, they will purchase car. Will they purchase car? No, they will not purchase car. Boys, will boys purchase car? Yes, boys will purchase car. Will boys purchase car? No, boys will not purchase car. He, will he purchase car? Yes, he will purchase car. Will he purchase car? No, he will not purchase car. She, will she purchase car? Yes, she will purchase car. Will she purchase car? No, she will not purchase car. Rihan, will Rihan purchase car? Yes, Rihan will purchase car. Will Rihan purchase car? No, Rihan will not purchase car. Madhuri, will Madhuri purchase car? Yes, Madhuri will purchase car. Will Madhuri purchase car? No, Madhuri will not purchase car. My mother-in-law, will my mother-in-law purchase car? Yes, your mother-in-law will purchase car. Will my mother-in-law purchase car? No, your mother-in-law will not purchase car. Next word is go to school. Will I go to school? Yes, you will go to school. Will I go to school? No, you will not go to school. Will we go to school? Yes, we will go to school. Will we go to school? No, we will not go to school. Will you go to school? Yes, I will go to school. Will you go to school? No, I will not go to school. Will they go to school? Yes, they will go to school. Will they go to school? No, they will not go to school. Boys, will boys go to school? Yes, boys will go to school. Will boys go to school? No, boys will not go to school. Will he go to school? Yes, he will go to school. Will he go to school? No, he will not go to school. Will she go to school? Yes, she will go to school. Will she go to school? No, she will not go to school. Rihan, will Rihan go to school? Yes, Rihan will go to school. Will Rihan go to school? No, Rihan will not go to school. Madhuri, will Madhuri go to school? Yes, Madhuri will go to school. Will Madhuri go to school? No, Madhuri will not go to school. My mother-in-law, will my mother-in-law go to school? Yes, your mother-in-law will go to school. Will my mother-in-law go to school? No, your mother-in-law will not go to school. Next word is believe. Will I agree? Will I agree? Yes, you will agree. Sorry, क्या था? Believe था. Will I believe? Yes, you will believe. Will I believe? No, you will not believe. Will we believe? Yes, we will believe. Will we believe? No, we will not believe. Will you believe? Yes, I will believe. Will you believe? No, I will not believe. Will they believe? Yes, they will believe. Will they believe? No, they will not believe. Boys, will boys believe? Yes, boys will believe. Will boys believe? No, boys will not believe. Will he believe? Yes, he will believe. Will he believe? No, he will not believe. Will she believe? Yes, she will believe. Will she believe? No, she will not believe. Rihan, will Rihan believe? Yes, Rihan will believe. Will Rihan believe? No, Rihan will not believe. Madhuri, will Madhuri believe? Yes, Madhuri will believe. Will Madhuri believe? No, Madhuri will not believe. My mother-in-law. Will my mother-in-law believe? Yes, your mother-in-law will believe. Will my mother-in-law believe? No, your mother-in-law will not believe. Next word is agree. Will I agree? Yes, you will agree. Will I agree? No, you will not agree. Will we agree? Yes, we will agree. Will we agree? No, we will not agree. Will you agree? Yes, I will agree. Will you agree? No, I will not agree. Will they agree? Yes, they will agree. Will they agree? No, they will not agree. Will boys agree? Yes, boys will agree. Will boys agree? No, boys will not agree. Will he agree? Yes, he will agree. Will he agree? No, he will not agree. Will she agree? Yes, she will agree. Will she agree? No, she will not agree. Will Rihan agree? Yes, Rihan will agree. Will Rihan agree? No, Rihan will not agree. Will Madhuri agree? Yes, Madhuri will agree. Will Madhuri agree? No, Madhuri will not agree. My mother-in-law. Will my mother-in-law agree? Yes, your mother-in-law will agree. Will my mother-in-law agree? No, your mother-in-law will not agree. Next, last word is study. Will I study? Yes, you will study. Will I study? No, you will not study. Will we study? Yes, we will study. Will we study? No, we will not study. Will you study? Yes, I will study. Will you study? No, I will not study. Will they study? Yes, they will study. Will they study? No, they will not study. Will boys study? Yes, boys will study. Will boys study? No, boys will not study. Will he study? Yes, he will study. Will he study? No, he will not study. Will she study? Yes, she will study. Will she study? No, she will not study. Will Rihan study? Yes, Rihan will study. Will Rihan study? No, Rihan will not study. Will Madhuri study? Yes, Madhuri will study. Will Madhuri study? No, Madhuri will not study. My mother-in-law. Will my mother-in-law study? Yes, your mother-in-law will study. Will my mother-in-law study? No, your mother-in-law will not study. तो ये थी हमारी आज की प्रैक्टिस। आशा करती हूँ कि आपने बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस की होगी। इसी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करते रहें। फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में। तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखें, प्रैक्टिस करें और वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। Thank you for watching the video. See you soon. Bye bye.